What's up YouTube? This is Mr. Fresh back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing budget Bluetooth headset. This is the brand is called Soundpeats Q30 Plus. So it says it's wireless earphones, built-in magnetic design, up to 8 hours of battery life. Let's see what's around the box. Let your ear decide. Okay, let's see here. It's water resistant. Let's see, what else did it say? It supports Apex-X supports smooth transition and provide better sound audio. Okay, nano coating protects your earbud from sweat damage. Okay, I want to read all that. Okay, let's take a look at this. All right, let me grab a knife here, little scissor. There it is. All right. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Oh wow, that's a pretty nice packaging actually. I'm liking this. This is good right here. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going crazy here with this, all these things. But look at this. This is kind of nice, kind of carbon fiberish, leatherish case. Yeah, it's almost like a pleather, or I don't know, fake leather or whatever you want to call it. But let's take a look here. Okay, that's your headset. Okay, we'll put that on the side. Here's your charging cable. Okay, so we'll put that on the side. Here's your booklet, you know, for instruction or whatever you need to look into. So that's that. And then let's see, there's one more box here. So let's take a look what we have in the box. We got a whole bunch of, let's see, what do we have? Okay, we got this carabiner clip, so you can hook this with your, oh yeah, perfect. Let's probably put that in here. So let's, alright, so you can hook this to your backpack or purse, whatever you like. Okay, we got a whole bunch of, let's see, what else do we have here? Got a whole bunch of earbud tips. Okay, so let's see, I'm just gonna put this down here so you guys can see it. So they got, looks like they have this large ear hooks kind. They have the there's these regular tips, there's small ones, so lots to choose from. That's pretty dope. Also there's this clip to manage your where's the earbud go? Right here. So let's take a look at this. Okay, that's the thing off. Okay, so these things right here, these things are actually very handy. I've used this before on my other headset. These things are pretty important to have. They basically keep your cable tied up, so don't lose these. These are pretty important stuff. Basically, all you have to do is you put this on your you get this around your wire, and then you short them up, shorted, or if you want to make your cable short or long, this is the way you do it. So let me see here if I can do this and show you guys real quick. Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, right there. No. All right, there it is. So that's how you do it. So now if you see that, that's all there. Now all you need to do is just pull it back to tighten up or loosen up. So that's a very good. All right, I'm back in. So as you guys can see, this is how they'll look, and then that will go here in that, and that will when you wear this, it will go pretty much to your to back of your shirt or whatnot. So clip it together. So let's go ahead and I'll just go ahead and remove this for, or maybe I'll just remove that for right now. I'll take these off for right now as well. I don't need it. Just wanted to show you guys that real quick. But okay, let's test this out. Grab a phone here real quick. See how the pairing process is. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out on the side for right now. And just put all this together. Put all that, and let's move all these out on the side. Put all that out on the side. Put that out on the side. And here's the Bluetooth. Alright, so let's see if how easy these are to program. So it looks like okay, so we'll do, so I think I have my Bluetooth on here already. So let's press and hold. There you see, there's the light. And you gotta keep holding until let's see. Alright, let's go to the setting, Bluetooth, and it's on a discoverable mode, so let's find out if we can find this. Pair a new device. Okay, there you go. You see that right there? Soundpeats Q30 Plus. Alright, it says pair. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and accept that. Go ahead and accept that. Edit. Okay, so let's go ahead and get out of this. And let's see. Let's get on YouTube. Find something to listen to. Alright, so we're back in here. I'm just gonna play one of my video here so that we don't get strike for copyrights. So let's see here if we can let me just. Alright, I'm back in. So basically this is what it will look like when you put it on. They are a little bit loose on my ear at the moment because I didn't change the earbuds. I didn't change the tips yet, so I'm just gonna show you the way they are right now. Mainly these are gonna be used by my wife, so I'll just let her try it first, and then I'll change the tip at the moment. But that's how it looks like. So again, like I showed you about the little circle, so if you put that on, then it'll be perfect. You know, this long wire won't be hanging too low. But as of right now, it's pretty good. The bass is pretty good. So the sound quality is pretty good so far, right out the box. Also, I've used Soundpeats headphone before, so I know they're very good. And I got this off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. I don't know how much I paid off the top of my head right now, but I'll go ahead and put link in the description so you guys can check that out. Other than that, I think that's it for me. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.